Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So on Tuesdays on my channel, I show you guys like tips or little cooking hacks. And today I'm going to show you how to make tomatoes with, how to make tomatoes without ketchup. No, how to make ketchup without tomatoes. So if you guys didn't know, I used to have really bad acid reflux. It was triggered by anxiety. And it got so bad to the point where I'm like, I'm going to cut out everything from my diet that can potentially cause reflux. And that included onions, anything tomatoes, chocolate, any kind of alcohol, anything spicy, a ton of stuff. I was so upset. And then I realized that I was like craving ketchup for some reason. I'm like, damn, I can't have ketchup because there's tomatoes in it. So I looked up a recipe for tomato-free ketchup and it actually tasted exactly like ketchup, and I was really impressed. So I thought that I'd show you guys this recipe since it's summertime and like hot dogs and hamburgers, everything like that are getting eaten so much and there's a ton of barbecues going on. I figured it would be perfect timing for anybody who either has a nightshade allergy, which tomatoes are a nightshade apparently, or if you are either just allergic to tomatoes or can't eat them for any dietary reasons. This video is for you. It tastes exactly like ketchup. You will not be disappointed. And making it is actually going to be shorter than the intro. Anyways, it's so easy. We're just popping everything in the blender. So first things first, we have some cranberry sauce jelly. Sounds disgusting. The ingredients sound disgusting on their own, but it does taste like ketchup. You want the jelly kind, not the one with the whole cranberries. That's not going in there. Okay, so one whole can, and this is a 16-ounce can. So gross. And then we have a can of canned pears, and they are drained, so you don't want the juice, or most of the juice, you just want the pears. And then another 16-ounce can of canned carrots. Don't try eating these, I hate canned carrots. The last time I made this, which was years ago, I remembered how gross they tasted, and I have not tried them since, and I remember my lessons, so they're just gonna go in here without me trying them. Then we have half a cup of white vinegar, a quarter cup of clear corn syrup, 4 teaspoons of salt, a quarter cup of white sugar, then 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of allspice, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cloves. So that sounds really weird, I know, but trust me, this actually tastes good. So we're gonna put the lid on, and we're gonna pulse it until everything is nice and smooth. So. And there we go. So we are all done. How amazing is this? I know, Paddington, I'm sorry. Was that stressful? Was that stressful? Yeah, it smells like ketchup. So weird. It does look a little more orange than traditional ketchup, but I mean, oh, it's so ketchup-y. I mean, I'm sure they add food coloring to regular ketchup, so you can add red food coloring if you want. Alright, I'm getting my funnel because I don't want ketchup all over my surface. So we're just gonna pour this in. This is a milk jug, but it's also the closest thing I have to something that looks like a ketchup bottle, so bear with me. Also, I wore my grilled cheese sweater today. It's from Wild Fox if you're curious, because some people like ketchup on their grilled cheese. Are you one of those people? Comment down below and let me know. I'm not one of those people, but I still respect you if you are. Alright, and there we go. So you want to store this in the fridge. Oh my god, yeah. There's actually like a debate like where you're supposed to store your ketchup. I store my ketchup and my fake ketchup in the fridge, and you definitely do want to store this in the fridge because there aren't any preservatives in it, so just wanted to let you guys know. But yeah, like let's taste it. Yeah, it tastes really good. Yeah, definitely satisfies that ketchup craving. I do taste a little bit of white vinegar, so if you aren't a huge fan of vinegar, maybe add like a quarter cup of vinegar instead of a half cup, and see if you like it, then add some more if you like. But yeah, that's all. So it's a super simple recipe. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, I hope you have a wonderful summer, and yay to everybody who can now enjoy ketchup without having to eat tomatoes. So I love you guys so much. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're notified when my next video goes live. I heard that actually Instagram is coming out with Instagram TV, which is so exciting. So I'm gonna start posting more videos on Instagram. So yeah, if you're not on Instagram or if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, it's at pankobunny, exactly the same as YouTube. And I will see you guys over there, or I'll see you guys here tomorrow for another video. Bye!